going to be making is some vegetable sauce made with Ugba, or Ukpaka as our Anamberans call it. So this is basically what's called Ukpaka. It's a fermented seed which has been shredded and gives you this lovely brown color. It's quite rich in its natural benefits. We're going to be using about 1.5 cup of assorted mixed meat, about a cup of palm oil, half a cup of grounded dried crayfish, 3 dried fish, 300 grams of kale, or you can use ugu, 500 grams of spinach chopped, you can use water leaf, 2 cups of Ugba, 2 cups of Ukpaka, teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 6 to 7 scotch bonnet, 2 bouillon cubes optional, meat stock, half a cup of meat stock, 2 Ukpa, this is fermented lotus beans, and some salt for taste. Here are the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. So in a pot, we'll add our meat stock, and a cup of water. Add our dried fish to this pot. Add a salt, half a teaspoon of salt, Cameroon pepper, flip it to the other side so that it can steam for 3 minutes. Cover it and allow it to steam for 3 minutes. Check on it. So this, we're going to add boiled meat. Give it a stir so that it could mix with the sauce. Add the Ukpa to it. Then we'll add our palm oil. You can cook on medium heat or medium low. So I like it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Just make sure that your Ukpa is a bit dissolved. This, I'm going to add my crayfish. My pepper. Just give this pork this stir. We'll add our spinach. You add your kale as well, or your ugu. So we'll cover this and allow it to steam for 5 minutes on medium low. Now cover the lid and check on it. Slowly mix the vegetable. Add Ukpaka, also called Ugba. So you can use this sauce to eat boiled yam, boiled rice, swallow as well, potato, whatever you prefer. Try and mix out Ugba with the vegetables so that it can all be incorporated together. This smells so yum. So we're going to cover this and allow it to steam to cook for about 5 minutes as well, so that the flavor can sink into the Ugba and it should give us a lovely delight. Just gonna check on it. Check on our sauce to see the lightness of it. Wow, this looks so yum. This is a delicacy you can serve your guests. I'm just gonna check it for salt. We'll add half a teaspoon of salt. You know, we used meat stock, so the meat stock already has seasoning in it, so you don't really need to add bouillon cubes. That's why I said the bouillon cubes is optional depending on your tolerance level. So we're going to turn off the heat now and we'll serve.